Welcome to Top Point. Across the United States, recent immigration and customs enforcement operations have drawn widespread attention, sparking debate over immigration enforcement and public policy. Video clips of these arrests have gone viral, showing ICE officers detaining individuals at home, workplaces, and public areas. The footage has provoked strong reactions on social media and it in public discourage. Many advocates for immigrant rights has described the operations as unsettling, raising concerns about the impact of families and communities. Critics argue that such aggressive enforcement tactics can cause unnecessary fear and disruption, especially among children and vulnerable population. This action have also led to renewed security of former President Donald Trump. Critics say that his political rhetoric and policy positions have contributed to a more forceful approach to immigration enforcement. So, supporters maintain that these measures are necessary to enforce U.S. law and national security. ICE has defended its operations, starting that their focus remains on individuals who are in the country illegally and may have criminal records. The agency emphasized that the arrests are part of the standards enforcement priorities, targeting those who pose potential risk to public safety. The national conversation around immigration enforcement continues to be highly polarized. Lawmakers and civil rights organizations are calling for increased transparency and oversight to ensure that enforcement actions respect civil liberties. Some local authorities have also expressed concerns about coordination with federal immigration operations. Media coverage of these viral videos highlights the border tensions in U.S. immigration policy. Outlets report on both the human impact of these arrests and the political debates they have sparked. Discussions are ongoing regarding potential reforms to ICE operations, aiming to balance enforcement prioritizing with humanitarian consideration. As this story develops and social media and news outlets continue to monitor ICE operation, public response, and political reactions, the debate underscores the challenges of managing immigration policy in a way that addresses security concerns while protecting individual rights. For ongoing updates, stay tuned to Talk Point, bringing you balanced and verified news from across the country.